Hi, pal.
There's a better line there.
Yeah, up and over this rock. Definitely a much better line. Want to go down green lines? Okay, let's go. Whoop. That's it. Oh yeah. Nice. Ready to go up the hill?
I'm ready.
All right. We'll see y'all folk at the top of the hill. You ready to go do this thing, sir?
I'm ready.
Pew! After you. If you know, you know. So dry out right now. Yeah, bud. Nice recovery, sir. That tree came up quick. Yeah. Man, that is truly one of the best loam sections around, for real. Oh yeah. Nice.
I don't even remember that.
Phew. All right. Had a foot off back there, but didn't dab. You don't remember that rock roll down? Oh yeah, cleared it. Nice. Way to go, bud. Phew. Hi, pal.
There's a better line there.
Yeah, up and over this rock. Definitely a much better line. That's right. You!
First time. First time on a bike.
First time on a bike, that's right. Well, at least they don't have the gap up here for you anymore. That gap made that feature so good. Yeah, bud.
Doing everything about it as slow as possible.
Yeah, that's pretty much as slow as you can absolutely do any of that. But excellent. And down Wavelength we go. So nice having this cleaned up right here. Oh yeah. Woo! Getting wild there, buddy. A little bit. Ooh, I found the clinger. Boy, that one is a banger back there. Yeehaw! What's that? Go ahead. Woo. You're fine. No worries. Woo! I got a little slippy. There's a lot slippy out today. Shoot! Woohoo! Oh yeah. It's gonna take a bit of getting used to. So, you ready to not do this again?
I'm ready.
Let's go not do this again. After you.
Alrighty.
Yeah, bud. You. Ready to get at it?
Let's do it.
Pew. And down we go. Almost there. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Won't be long. We here. Here we go. Phew! Haha, that was washy. Yeah, buddy. Man, what a phenom trail system. Whew. That is a gnat in the eyeball, the left eye. Whew. Oh, not exciting. Wow, that's poo doo doo. So apparently the mower must have chunked something up and it said kerpam. Wah, 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 wah. But hey, it was a phenomenal ride, buddy. If that's the least of your woes.
Yeah.
For now, I just put some Gorilla Tape over it. Just keep it from doing any shattering or anything on the inside and outside, especially for kids and all that.
Yeah.
Sorry, pal.
It happens.
It does though, and that's what insurance is for. And believe you me, I'm sure you contact Montgomery County and your insurance company, they'll get it worked out and just get it replaced.